This is Igbo area TV.
Hello. One family, 3 officers. The Igbo in U.S. Army. The Igbo excel in many fields both at home and overseas, and the U.S. Army is not an exception. What is more remarkable is how one family resident in USA has produced 3 full-fledged officers for the U.S. Army. Grand Market Square celebrates with the Odocha family. From left to right are Lieutenant Chioma Odocha, Lieutenant Toshi Odocha, and Captain Kelechi Odocha, all children of Dr. and Mrs. Harold Oke Odocha, originally from Mbise, Imo State. Dr. Odocha is a transplant surgeon, liver, kidney, and former chief of transplants at Howard University, Washington, D.C. We are proud to talk about the success of the Igbo people. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. God bless you and bye for now.